Ibuga sana mutegeri wa Meru TV ngatho cia mwanya muthenya jona ruwa ngagucokiria ngatho no tubogwita na mbere kwithirwa uri amona batwe mubango tijunge mubango ni njorua cietu ni mubango yatherwa tukithithia na tukethirwa tukiareniria na mantu mwanya mwanya itwithirwa tukimurika antu mwanya mwanya itwithirwa tukitegera antu barabara na kana bakurukirite mantu ja mingi muno in life na bakomba kwithirwa bagikinya samoya ni mubango basically yithirwa yukienda ku encourage antu ku inspire antu nikienda muntu amenya pengine antu arori teo kethirwa rujo antu arori antu kwena kana situation irori ni antu kwena ruwa teo kethirwa winyo antu kwerujo kira kina maana iwe ukire wibura na wite na mbere na life yeku na kinya tukethira tukireta antu baraba thithiti mantu extraordinary kana mantu jara inya batu turingo turi wananchi utego kona ya kayati ya kawaida tukethira at least ukimenya utingwe ya mtu fulani kana uti limited kurithia mantu kinya yere kana jai kuna uthithie anything in this world bonka kiwe na courage no kombo kinyaro kwenda kuthira kinya no achieve kinya dreams etiaku ko kakuribwa sana rutero Facebook ni Meru TV Kenya na rutero YouTube ni Meru TV Digital na wenda kuthirwa ukiandika message yeku namba ni 0748918901 0748918901 tukomba kutha tukiwata comment ciaku na tugeta na mbere kuthirwa tukiaraniria ntukweru ari ande na mugeni wa maana sana ndani ya studio yetu tulimwita Faith Kimathi tukomba kutha tukiaraniria na Faith yetherwa akirita ngui mochari kana cool breeze yes ira ya rutererwa witite rutererwa kirua ukomba kwithirwa ukimiona u na ndi Faith ethere motivation kana antu bara bethera bakiandu miri yantu bara hatutiga endo beto bara hatutiga na itu kwenda kumenya ni mbio yongo Faith yethiritwe na challenge kadi uni mwana omware ni mtu very young itu kwenda kumenya safari yawe kana rugendo rwawe rukariate kama kawaida uni revita jeri wa cheupe na mubango tijunge ni njorua cietu tuketha tukiaraniria Faith na mantu icio ntho tukwenda kurukirwa agethwa akiaraniria na uaga kwira ni mbio yongo imwe ya courage yonthe nikienda ukomba kuthirwa ukimenya utingugi mtu atomba kuthirwa akirita karibu sana Faith
asante
yes ndendo kethie tegeri betu ba Meru TV ubere na raumite marito yaku jongo na ngoye ku irori ta Faith
sa mugeni ategeri ba Meru TV amareto mbeta Faith Mukiri Kimathi mbumete Timau na onde mortician bedera ore Cool Breeze nimekuwa nikipractice na nde for almost 2 years now.
Wow. Okay. So Faith twira gukura kwaku na kuthoma kwaku kurite ate na uthomete ate na egitarira mtu etherwa akithoma kuri o kinyo kanjiri kuwa uni ndakura ndirenda kwa fulani ndakura ndenda kwa newsanga ya njerio cheupe ndakura ndirenda kwa daktari ndakura ndirenda kwa engineer owe egitarira uthoma uri mwana wa kurorenda kwambi
actually ndi mwana ngorerete Timau ndathomera Our Lady of Visitation then ndathomera Winners Academy ndauma ndeta Matiri Girls so all along my dream eko yari kwa nurse daktari something in the medic profession ni ndenda muno alafu ngekora babo kwa mbera ndari ankoro area simple empathetic heart and that was my dream and after kudhiria form 4 ndeterenda thithia diploma in ICT Meru Polytechnic after that I felt bado ntanganirwa so one day tu nda scrolla thimone kwa nda watcha interview fulani ndethera mwareta wa Anne Mwangangi she's a known mortician worldwide so ndathikaira story we and I felt something inside me ndaigwa I can do this. Ikentondomba uthithia. So I did ndathithiri research ekwa. Ndateka skuru alafu ndetandaria muchiari. Au ndambire karugendo gwako nandi.
Wow. Wina course ya ICT. ICT course ya imwira sidhairwa serious sana asin antu beregaira kinya china ngwiti haraka sana then what changed your mind na wina course ikiomba gugutetherio kona ngugi irokwenda kuona maybe na ketha ikongera kithomo
andonere ria twathiririe we were so many itwaingei and then ICT ni ambiritie kugia antu baba ingi muno so ndakarire ndaona which other course ndomba kuongera ki course eko at least nkethero ndena course choijire mwe areka nkathithia ingi so that's when ndaonere about mortuary science idonda ambire kuthithia research na ndaibanga banga ndaria muchiari
naona Mwangangi akwa motivation lakini kwa ikuru ndivyo waraka mbere ndivyo wa muchiari oku kana kinyerero kurite muchiari oku ibaizi utithero na nkoro njumu sana no ntonto baba ya madaktari yoroku no nda kwa daktari ni antu twisi ni antu bena nkoro njumu antu bate ustuka nyabona muntu aringangi nyona muntu atemangi wa tu ustuka uko na rongumu ugotari na nkoro njumu torokuga then na ukuona mantu ya mortician somewhere nwambire kukaranthi maybe uthugani wona na ndi oni na nkoro eko na nti umairi nto bibingi ikazi nkamiumba atia
mbere burinda ria change of mind na ndere ndathithagia research ekwa ndona manto ja mortuary science ja entaila mbinambi irio ndeterenda go through kweka kaukunda thoma na the former morticians those yani bare au kuma tene na nde ndachira nkomba nguge kweli ni ndachirire mbere then ndaritanira ndetanda thithia volunteering ke mochari fulani ya Meru ndeterenda volunteer for 3 months and the ibambetekirie na nderio from the first day ndaiagwa arintio mpapu too much do the first day ndethere ndia mwirejwa tei murone for 2 weeks so it was a bit ndetanda thugania kairi ndona I can do it ndachoka kairi munkari ndathirire 3 months volunteering bambira na ndio ugo wesawa iro na ndetere chukuru ndathithia certificate in mortuary science
wow na ndio guchoka ukuigwa wa inspired kuthiro kiambirithia kana kita course ukuweta muti na ukaranthi na aciari baku kuberesera uni ndadi mam nkuigwa kuthithia 1 2 3 na how did they take it
mbere buru etari raisi nonto anto bena mentality area mortuary taking to kekeka it's something demonic how can you do something like that so etari easy ende nderezere mami okwa no enderere mbere ndamwira mama ninkuigware kuthithia mortuary science ndamwereza teka mwareo she's one of the pioneers ndamwereza at first it was a bit etari simple muno it took some time for her to accept then there nya sister okwa then ndezanda inform my dad so my dad are na rigere muno nonto aije only that weak child when I was growing up na ndi arika kwa how yani we actually 3 in our family and among my sister na brother okwa ionde nkoro area
impothu
exactly na ndi he was so shocked nande ende mami na accepted ndamondere nya classmates batu aragia about the new friends I had made and she was okay don't deterenda enroll Chiromo ndathithia certificate in mortuary science mwanka ndathiria
wow hey Faith so now guthithia course ya mortuary wona ngugi kwaje kukaria atia ukuthoma na ukuthithia menya tha itu kona kiri mathomo za maingi yarante bakuthithia courses mwanya no kona muntu akithithia course na akarinya mwaka kanele kana nyetha twatona ngugi ikwaso na kuruta ngui wa irokona so ije ukuthoma ukuthithia then what next
so renda thomera ndathiria course ndagia certificate kwa mortuary science indambiri ochwango gena kuthithia applications different places ende ntona results haraka na ndire ndathukana rena ugano so indithetie mortuary science ntikara nyumba kaire na course number 2 it's another course ndeterenda volunteer ndauga volunteer to keep myself busy ire ndeterenda volunteer na ndambia kuona gantu ndare ya Meru tu still ke mortuary nda volunteer te kaire na ndibambitikirie kaire ndambia uthithia ngugi alafu ngona gantu to appreciation kidogo then indejere lose a friend may so rest in peace etawa MC Jack Catalisto are neighbor kwa so twetere umuthika kwao alafu are Cool Breeze so ntuko mathiko ile ndonere ala kumbe kwena mortuary nge smart it was my first time there so twetere twathithia kila kitu alafu nkiomanda ugatia mbete career manager ndetanda mwira unipeta fei indithietie mortuary science and currently inko volunteer anto fulani ndamwira ndina interest ya ku work nyakithari iko volunteer iri ambirire ejama ndina application chiaku na ndi Monday later on ndetere nda apply ngoge na ndambia
Wow. Ngugiti ya kwa mortician. Yitherwe kientel binontu kira tuisi batwe na ome tuisi yake mtu apasi agwikwa mochari akare au tukwewe bangiro kethira ntukwe mathiko mtu ejirwe ete akathikwe apart from au menyata ikatuizi mno what happens so ngugiti yitherwe ina ekientel mbiongo.
Okay, kengoge mortuary science ina into bibi give nenei nande ito ritani ku handle mele ku handle anto grief counseling psychology nande it's a whole unit under one name mortuary science.
Okay.
So we thoroughly trained in every section.
Wow. Ekitarira muntu a pacific na reto kiri mortuary tuwende ya cool breeze arokurita ngwithai imbio yongwe take place muntu akukwa akuretwa na ngari mortuary then from there akonenkanirwa njarene tienu. What happens?
So in case of mtu akwetea retwa gwetu cool breeze we obvious and relatives kwe scenario tofauti kwe bobareta wa relatives na bange police. So in a scenario of relatives tunawakaribisha tukambia registration registration process tuamenya details cha mtu ni kari alafu umete na cause of death imbi na ndetu athiria kwa the registration office ine tuabeleza kwe process tuthiagia yetawa embalming tuabeleza uria tukathithia mwirijo ikienda jwethero in good condition. Tuabeleza process yonde then naanthike mortuary baka receive mwiri bakathithia dressing bathithia dressing jogekirwa ketroli akunikirwa a clean piece of sheet akunikirwa the family ibapati ku confirm nwetu areta ku avoid confusion ba confirm kethira imukuru na noyo tuabereza nande tukujukia mukuru tuamuthithiria na na tukamweka bobweka mwanka bakeja kumuthika.
Ukwefeli we are very young itarara tene kinyo kija gweta kuntoku ya weta watrimanto bakuru akuru sana akuru tona ngekuru ntirongwa kana ntiari orongo weta watrimarume sana na ni arume bakuru. Why you are so young nende kinyawe karaifu kaku nende kakinyawe gategate na ngugejo kurita. Do you think ina affect in any way in your life?
Okay, antuma bange by them amburagia the same question but oni ntethera affected. For one, I'm trained on training how to handle situations chionde na kodidi nya counseling na nya counseling yetu ta mortuary attendants ito return kila kitu. Alafu another thing it igento kendene kwa ipashone kwa na ndio nibika kwende ndi sawa ndibe kwende sawa buru. I'm happy when I do it and I feel I'm okay.
Endera waretera muntu re kana maybe ya tu egitara wambiririe na gukua mbere no mbere wetera volunteer kenda wona kethira nkoro
ikomba
thai kinyoka igwa muntu pass tuwe kinya ne relative a friend kana kinya muntori kana anybody we kana nyoretera mwiri naro uitango ke cool breeze. Do you feel anything kwebui kagwa menya ya batu thai nkaigwa mtongania ukwa kitu kama no stoka na kwambia nde kuthugani gai nate. What do you feel anything?
Okay, it with there are feelings I can feel it. For example, re family eza iluzete mtu bena kirero mono iba urira they are so confused ito fila in some scenarios mtu nande nyata mwana it affects everyone. Ito fila lakini you don't show your emotions to the family. You have to be strong for them. You babo batiki whether we strong kobonia it's well despite everything. In fila lakini I can handle the situation. I'm able to handle the situation. Nkabadhiria counseling alafu toka kwa the process wengi.
So unaenda kumaanisha kinya gitarira mtu family leta mtu ore kemochari. How do you handle the family non transfer of course when emotions ibachanganyiki hawajui what to do na tapo bando.
So in such a scenario nonto family either bairira mono and in that moment anto boga there's nothing you can tell them bomba kuigwa bwega. So rebeja you give them time first of all baka release emotions anga yu bitterness yu yonthe shock nonto bangi bado watenya shock after releasing we have counselors at Cool Breeze tuna counselors but they tie specialization in grief counseling so na tunenya pastor na chaplain so itujakeya kanya twabereza bakathithirwa counseling ete wipe away the pain lakini ikabateithia ku ease the pain after counseling nande tukabereza process yonde bageta kwanja nandi
Okay, thank you so much. Kirira mtu areto mwiri nguchokio haraka ire babu ndai Cool Breeze no utweretere pengine natabudithagia ku keep this body ithirwe sawa mwanka pengine rira antu barabakana na aranja baibange kuiza kufika mtu
na ndipo mbere buru ituthithagia process etawa embalming embalming i process ya gwikira fluids kimwire juu ikathithia treatment disinfection na ndi mwire juu nyajo gekirwa kwi fridge bado in good condition nyakethirwa hii case ya accident case ya kwajwa mbuga ria ambajwa hii bado akethirwa in a good condition ntuko chia narwa gote mantuja mwire kununka ari jathirire
ajoke ya jugu ko yone kanite murone re tukarite for long nara na jukethirwa juthukangi jukinya jukinya kibabu ya jugu kinya ju what do you do
so in such a scenario itogeragia kuthithia treatment nya scenario cha cancer sorry te cancer accidents mtu mbuga na temi uthio itogeragia kuthithia kuchokaniria mtu ito trainee so tuachokaniria bwega and then you can do a little touch up makeup akara presentable tuko ikuma
so you want to mean muntu mbere eta kuthikwa kinyona thitha makeup
itutithagia makeup a simple touch up te uthio akara presentable muntu alive mbuga ari mtu ari smart na ka makeup te bonde lakini ende akwete na mtu na chenchagia mbere no ntobo embalming na ukarenya fridge kethara wareo mutune no ira ukadaken na kuthiria trauma ira ke family baku na relatives bakona mbuga wareo mutune alafu bona wiroi iba makamu no shock eu na nditwa itogeragia kuthithia akare uria akari alive na ndio tuthegia touch up tukona mbicha ciawe cia tene uria akari tuna compare tuthithia kuthithia mwanka bangi bakauga anaka kama ako amelala tu
na kumvalisha
inya dressing tuthithagia both female and male tuthithagia chende
so ni babu thithagia buku kana family members
ibatu tuthithagia dressing not unless different scenarios some other cultures ibenda kwithira beau bakidressa niga kwa ntu bare bauga nizataja hiyo
gani
tugeta Samburu kupenda mtu wa mame on the left so ibabo ni wao wanafaa wafanye alafu ba muuna nya kuguru cultures chao so we give them that opportunity
so egitarira kule antu bethara bena time ya maybe ku view mwiri nontu tiba baingi bethara bena chance we ku view mwiri the moment mwiri jumire kire mochari yureta direct maybe kuthikwa tiba baingi bethara bena time yo ya kuira antu joni ku view mwiri and all that kuri na antu be ya kwa tukakuina that chance ku viewira mwiri mochari before bajuke mwiri jubeta najo
so in Cool Breeze yetu tuina a different program na ndere bwejogira mwiri jwa mtu wenu twathiria kuthithia clearance itweta twathithia confirmation confirmation iu confirm kithera nowe kithera nguo imbijari achio ichiawe na chiesa oria kwenda ekirwe kulingana na mtu tofauti after confirmation itwetherwa chapels twina chapels at Cool Breeze aria twithithagia viewing ya antu bonde nandi the relatives the friends bonde itwethera chapels ijiri chapel A na chapel B nandi antu batonya ndene bakaibanga transport manager tokaromba baka view alafu bageto muthika
Oni kwenda kumenya emotions tieni tithero ikaria menya sometimes kinyo kethera mtu twenu kinyo kama maybe uti kumenya this person of course ya babu na ntundi budila na ntu tofauti kuna ka emotions maybe umbaku polelio kana gutega ukaigua wewe ngo inyendera no kuthithiria antu ba maybe kuigua nkorone
na ndi for me cases iri imperfect amono ichi atwana it's a bit overwhelming ndi kana kanini no ana imalaika so it's a bit hard na ndi infila na nkaigwenya a bit of pain but ntiomba kuoniria family inyao ningo feel I have to be strong for that moment but oria oni personally ndithagia itwethorenya fellowships yetu au cool breeze three morticians bana na ndi twetherwa time cia kuromba tuka encourage each other na nya tukathithenya counseling so we are able to cope with the situation
okay how do you feel kwa hiyo environment ule environment no ntu kwina ndetre sometimes watrima muntu ara kwina mochari muntu no kira kura kinye bikure okira iya kura bikura no kira kunywa anything yani urigwa tu you uncomfortable yani wewe kuna hiyo spirit yenye unasikianga tu ni kama unastuka uko na uoga uko tu hapo uona nde ani oritaira ngui ni orethetie ntuko yombe ya una nde natonyira ndagona kanyomba karankamenya ai hapa ndio wako hapa ndio naenda kufanya 1 2 3 how do you handle that
ari uninda menyerie and I feel comfortable alafu gintu kingi anto be mentality ingi mochari gukara kina igontu kwa roko but I beg to differ ateka ta cool breeze we are a bit different for number 1 cleanliness igintokia mbere na au alafu itoiba tumejipanga vizuri nande oni feel ande comfortable buru I feel okay ni kama wewe vile uko hapa nande we sawa we comfortable na nimbika kwa ndi sawa buru
kwero wethera wina shift cio tuko
mbethera nya shift cio tuko kwe kiumia giakwa na kiumia kia partner onge na ndi my colleague
utuko na muthenya does it sound the same
it's actually the same achore bako bambira wena mutuko batio kaira but it has never happened
menya kuna beliefs irantu bauga kwethera kwina ma spirits kwethera kwina demons kukero inya kwiro bokira rimwe na ukwapo na tuwe for example na wethera inya wewe nkwa in that room don't you fear kana uwo kwiro maybe no okire kana demons you kana spirits you maybe hakuna kitu kama hiyo umewahi experience
hakuna kitu kama hiyo na nita experience kintu takio kwanza otuko it's very peaceful igo kiri not unless maybe to receive kana to the transfer otuko it's actually very peaceful alafu kintu kingi there is no relationship between the living and the dead buru utekio buru
spirit itanga
ito no ntaigua
kile ngoja kwa gitaru ameitare ni nini may happen ikakushtua like no stress school no radoma or divya volunteering then kazi but maybe kuna kitu may happen kana kwa mtu ona akuite kana nyamu kuira jwa kana anything usikie sasa hiyo hata kama nimezoea hii maneno nimeshtuka ama umesikia tofauti ndo mbakuga kwe premature death na kwe cases de natural death kwethera kwina natural death mbuga mtu na ajetwe na mami chibitare kwe accident ende kwe scenario wona mtu very young mtu very promising na area future bright for example kona muthaka na thomete boega enangoge njega then all of a sudden he's gone kana kona ta scenario ngetu ari niyo a very i muthaka uthomera kwa surgeon na ndina tigeria miaka iri yake athirie so the family was are promising the family were hope noe alafu all of a sudden he's gone and then we kagwa imagine after all that sweat all that effort hata
hata enjoy matunda jawe so you know feel buru it's too bad
what about dreams do you dream at night ndiroma minya we kwa kure do you dream no to otarango kwira kabere oni ndirona mtu ni akwite mpaka saa hizi hizi lala vile huyo mtu alikuwa amelala. Nikilala hivyo namuonanga. Ande muona yani. Mkoona ya webru like no. Uwe no delete so many people na mimi tofauti mikuira tofauti. Kwa hiyo mimi urota kinyo tuko wena kinyo kiona antu japao.
Ari buru ntarota buru. Alafu nukoona mireo yonde nimehando ntekaira kiongo atinga kara image ya mtu ari ndathiria ni u unapumzika tu kwa amani ukahandle the next client ni u uteka gwikaira kiongo atingarika na client oria
Are you married?
No.
You're not.
No.
So what are your plans like menya sisemi kazi yako ni mbaya lakini kuna ile uita like ucemania muthagana ndi anti mumbiro teuri meketha no guri angikuria mukoro ku na ta andu station lakini onto teuri na ndi una ile ugeta utrimani nyamu choro ku mimi naitwa Fei 1 2 3 na mimi naitwa 1 2 3 what do you do Fei I do this no I do that and all that Uwe umewaipatana na mtu maybe hata kama hujaolewa no withdraw nyotrimanite mtu bukenda na meantu benda na inya bakamena na mantonto aje uratimana na mtu pengine ni kijana umempenda ama na yeye amekupenda lakini the moment umwira mimi nguira urita unaona ika setback or something imoi happen
igintu ki happenete I was in a very promising relationship but renda mbere mantoja mochari augire atiomboka ra mtu authithia ngogi ke mochari but this is my career this is something I love doing so singe I could not compromise then itochemanagia nya mtu tukaria mbeta fulani nkamwera ni mbeta Fei onde motishan ntitha uli ntiomboka rongo yao bange badithagia bakaga onde nas na onde motishan akaga mochari ai now you mwari ari
yeah I mean it's not usual especially ladies non tanto expect sana ke feel day kudwa ni wanaume by ke feel you
so anto bafila it's a bit weird ogowe tamwari we ke mochari alafu bathoganigia igento ki in the male field no kona alafu gento kiathitha go yanto banyunya bathitwe ro mono uko shoot miangi bangi nkamwira hapana
hata sasa mimi nafikirianga hivyo labda wenye wanafanyanga wanakunywa hizo mabangi ndio at least bakipu ndio una courage
hiyo ilikuwa in the former uria kwari tene but the world is evolving na tuko in the 21st century ini kitu unaenda shule wathomera uria wathithiria journalism ngeta nkathomera so I don't have to use drugs nyanke thithia ngogekwa I'm very normal so I'm very normal
na yo tena fear ya that maybe kinya mtu ranko mpaka kuwatana no next kana ndra wenu za maybe kuwa kinyawe nyewe hapa hapana unajua especially for ladies mtu akauga guys sasa ete mwango wake na no mire nkoro uri if anything happens to me
Neuga nyambo na ke comments bakiuga uri mtu anaweza kuwa na kumaliza
na kuzike
it's not sia hivyo we have feelings too ingogekwa todo ogothithagia ngogeku it's just my work ondomba kwiranto I mentality beneo but ondaugire ule atani accept onde sawa but I'm good this is what I love I'm passionate about it ntiomba utiga ngogekwa ntopogi ntokingi the right person will just come
mwenye kupenda kupenda
anipende nikiwa hivyo
wow hey that's good kuna challenges of course utingo gite challenges kuna challenges irantu betherwa bagikurukira in life na kinyake nguyu na arantu mtu enda tangu gitiawe kirengo gije yenure i challenges ire kucethera igitio na nyimuno
number 1 unda kwa relationship wise neither a bit hard ke anto ku accept we in the field of mortuary into kinge de anto baidara baretete a family a relative or a pasite ibakuraje biuria bibingi mbona ataamka niambie tu niangalilie muamshe usimweke kwa fridge mweke mali kuna joto nande ntije bathoganagia there's something we could do before to na no feel ukaigwa if I was to do something ngegeria but it's not in my power no kona imanto ya nature na ndei bethorwa biuria biu bingi muno bakuria so it's a bit hard pia kwa sisi to feel but sadly there's nothing we can do.
Wow. Hey God, mimi sijui akili yangu iko wapi saa hii. Sijui akili yangu iko wapi saa hii. I guess nkienda kuja na kwenu maybe kuona tu
kuona
na maybe kuthiria ugwa can I be allowed?
You are allowed actually. No way to take orientation ukaona process chonde chiao and with time ukomba kugain courage you onbuga mono encourage anto baga ya kuthithia nguge yonthe but when you have courage imagine you can do it.
I'm still thinking. I'm still thinking.
Ikafia kende ene na mentality no kora but once ukonka you chonde we sawa.
Egitarira witherwa mtu tuwe for example tuko ya kuthika mtu igukinya sometimes unaona antu bagita mochari ukaigwa mtu akiwa uito atroe mwiri sijui tuliambiwa nini sijui process gani kakwithera kwina process ira mtu babatere kuthingatira pengine ritaba kizira mwiri jwao kana vile mulileta tu mukakuwa admitted no bubu batere tukuija ntukubu kaninkirwa mwiri jwenu
ari kwetherwa process bweja ugira mwiri jwenu yo bati kwetherwa burial permit ibona nkairwa burial permit ke chibitari kana ke chief ibati kwetherwa burial permit then uria wandikita next of kin o mtu ukwite na bati kweja ID we nonto nandeta cool breeze tukauga tukonenkera mwiri joke cheupe hijo hakuna ndejo njare ne chiaku so ikwethera process ya burial permit na ID yake na go clear bill ya cool breeze of course
na rewe igwajware like mwiri jukurira mochari turetere twaga mtu wetu kana maybe imebadilishana ugwita bukuthika mtu tuwe sijui mukwambiri na ndi process na ndi gwita kuthingatira ringi mtu athikirwanga sijui wapi gwita bukathikura mwiri buchokie bujukijwenu what happens?
Okay, kwethera story you mbigite nyaoni but urandamba kuga ke cool breeze twina system ina flow vizuri nonto for once oreta mtoku no mwanka tuthithie confirmation uge oi mto wetu na tumutika cool breeze na nyantu kwe kumujukia burial day no mwanka uthithie identification wa identify noe kana tewe alafu wasaina kwa mto wetu na tuisawa na ngutosheka na ndi twina process ina flow to avoid such confusions ende chieku chiapena
babu nande ndi bodithagia ri ramtomba kuga pengine I prefer cool breeze than this other hospital nonto kwina mogeta wigwo meri itikibwega batena maybe kethri fridge gwika antu mantu jama ingize zau kurungana na ora awuritite ngwe cool breeze na kongi maybe na rorita ngwe kana wigitwe what's the difference
ya cool breeze na other places cool breeze mbere burure ni yaki it's a huge infrastructure ni yakibo nene alafu twina capacity ya hold antu baba ingi te tachipitari ingi kana mog whether anto by kinde are we handle the dead with respect in as much as iba kwete you give them the last respect so tuna capacity nene ya kuhandle mireu na nyoka ukeza utega no uone na ndi omwire ki fridge yewe hakuna kuteka ranto baide anga batano we don't do that heshima chia mwisho
kwa clip ndonete somewhere mortician kama wewe agita akinya ki kanini ka mtu ananok what does that mean?
Okay imbona bakithithia but
no menya na ndiro kona mtu akithithia you wonder because utira kero karibu not mtu gamwariria but what's the reason?
Okay ndomba kuga ika notion ke mochari science students bakajokagia kama njia ya kumpea tu heshima. No kona unaweza kimto wa knock mbere ukuma na ndio wa knock tu. Yani injira heshima. But it's not something at requirement ari. It's something just respect, kuonia respect.
Okay. Wow, thank you so much. So ni respect iri ko babu bwa ya antu ba bukuretera muntu na ndi babu mo hostite. You are the host now.
You're the host.
Ni babu mo hostite for most maybe 1 week, 2 or
2 weeks.
some few days. Na tukwira kinya yewe maybe gwita kunokwa. Irrespect iri ko maybe kuna anything that is maybe it's done maybe kupe last respect is uwa kire mtura kana
ndomba kuga oteganya ke page setu tuga Cool Breeze funeral home for the services you can always trust. Nande services chetu I services ogona it's something worthy. Bere burutu receive mwire tweka mwire jo in good condition. Tia tentukwire okeza kaire okethera na giti na alama ari buru akethera in good condition. Then kethera dressing tuka dress ore family kwenda. Bauga ikira ukathibi then kethera kithanduku itwethera nyama thanduku Cool Breeze.
Tukasema mtu akueje na yawe.
Ari we are all services in one. Kuma ngari kuma maua kila kitu. Tukathithia ore customer kwenda. And netethagia nyake customer ona ore tuge nkwere ntithiria kinana kina mbethere umefanya the same thing imbiga konganiri no kona kente tuthitakia to make sure customer wetu na kufeel enyewe Cool Breeze unenkira service njega.
Kuna mtu wa atiri mtu akakua to for example mtu akwira arungami asin amesimama mtora of course kama amekufa utumbo mukonja njara tora uringo kunja tia kwa thai kana ethera ikuru mukonja kuru kwawe muntu yontu kuna ntubauga kaunanga kwa mauru kiendaganira kithandu kune kana njara kana does it happen?
Okay, ikwethera story yu lakini utandomba kuuga kithera mtu na rei no kona na kithera na kunjete njara tukithithia body receiving itwethera na embalming room twekera mwire methene iza kakario kametha twamwikira in the right posture no kona akara in the right posture amani kithera na kunjete njara wamikira bobwega kithera kiongo
ndodradre mutana na kure nya utezo muromia njara gethana kunjete umiromia kana or something
na ndikwe process eta rigor mortis rema sochia mwiri kwenda ku ore batere na ndi during that moment rea kwete tu like few hours ito inawezekana no kuona wamekunja bwega then ogekira ndawa no una making sure parts chionde chi sawa na ndi hapo ndio unawezanga kumwekera bwega kumu Facebook bwega kidara ategete ogekira kiongo bwega akara in the right posture.
Wow.
Kethera tuge scenario maguru kethera na rei itutithagia measurements earlier on tikweja kithandu kwa alafu kuonana ituthagia measurements tukira family mtu wenure akario nao na ndechwa kithandu kugikari kineneie kuba 6 feet
me I thought mathandu kuzondo jethero ya nini imo
they are a bit different mathandu ku tofauti kweja ntoba nini oarei anoruburu so they are a bit different.
Okay. Sasa different. Leo nimeelewa hiyo.
Zinakwenda tofauti.
Mimi naona kizunguzungu.
Zinakwenda tofauti. Itaona weta ndukene kuna nguo unaweza nunua mwingine haezi vaa. So lazima zikuwe tofauti.
So I guess nione ni eu nije umire kuganto ibari baunanga wa maguru maybe kienda banganira kithanduku nonto I guess hata misikuwa najua by the way ndaga mtu nonto kuibara jari then mtu natea akanganira the same
coffin
yes nonto ndoganagia sidaro measurement no imo akibatere kudo kisa isimu
mwe ari mathanduku tofauti na measurements tofauti kulingana na client ore kari.
Okay. Ke friends baku re fi. Do you have friends?
I have friends.
You have friends? Babo anga out.
Mono.
Na batukira abo.
Kwa baba nkira, kwa baba chencherie. Renda mbere ngoge boga wewe unajua unataka kutafuta customer na sisi. But
unajua tunasemanga mtu ya ugwe kinyama wangangi mwenye unasema naona akirona ndi kinya twetanitia ugwe ugwe witokue stock weko tukue stock weko ruju kana
ari ntiomba kugo untu death is something natural tutiomba gweta tukioraga antu ari it happens naturally na ntu kwe kinya no mwanka na kwe kinya no mwanka so it's nature it's nature
so nanta friends baku how do they take it like when you are hanging out na kinya pata kwa meet other friends now na ndira mtu akiombe tawache upe nafanya 1 2 3 nikawa kawira nafanya 1 2 3 na feina yeye ndio huyo hapo
oniki close sako ekwa iba accepted close sako ekwa but we have other different people for example kwa bange bamberete nontona ndinko thithia mortuary science ngatengo i society nonto mortuary are paduka i demonic something not worthy doing so nimepitia hizo but ndaugire nonto i passion ekwa na yento mpendete I will do it alafu imbiga konganeri renda thithiria client okwa ore abati ngaigwa ndi sawa
wow kuna by the way society maybe unajua ke family limwe bethara na that weak point ya mtu na maybe kinya kethera baboku mamioku bakinyere point imwe accepting kwiro kurita and they are cool but kuna society yori kikuwa irere around you we kuna ma neighbors kuna antu bangi bonde apart from kinya your friends abo kwiro wethero kinya witite njirene kana utemani na antu uyu bakimiki funny comments about you we kana bakithwa nontu kongo kwiro kuita kana maybe kinya ba accepted it
are there some people bado bena mentality endhuku so kwiro mbeta inyakiatho mali bakauga mwari wathithagia kie mochari alafu bangi wa yakara sarcastically yani mochari kogere ngoge kongi but uninda amenyere go take those comments bangi bambira ke society utakuwa accepted no kona comments to you kana ndeta mathiko bakona like I'm happy it's happening
ya kore harusi niko kwa harusi tu
but itofauti no I'm still human ingogetu ni kazi tu that's the difference
wow
but I'm happy no nturia tugweta tukikura antu ibagweta baki accepta like right now no kona aritwa baba ingebo thithia mortuary iba ku venture into the mortuary world so it's okay no to course no kona
so kire antu baba ngiumba kuthiro kibera tano ntu tukibirekeria no to still to society bado hata kama mimi kwa baba accepted lakini kuna a bigger number ila bando iko ina kachumbo kauka mimi tetikere mwana kwa ritangwireu ndike mwana kwa skuru athomera ngwiteu na kinya achore yabagu kwa kwibora lusira already na ataumba kuthiro kibera nontu kana na atatumba kuthithia kinya maybe ya society ku make sure antu ibakwerewa ini kazi kama ile kazi nyingine yes no tikintu kile au tofauti
mbere buru anto bena calling tofauti kwa wenda kwa daktari ongei driver na ndike calling tofauti reona mwana ku ena passion eundenewe wa mukabira just support them let them do what they feel is okay na ingogeta ingi it's not something bad ingoge na heshima na ingoge njega and people are running good money out here
so there's good payment so nikuje nikuje uko pia
ukiweza it's okay
shida labda mimi unifanyie hiyo unasema ya ya counseling yes na ndito kidire family ire wambira gitarira antu bareta mwiri jwao cool breeze bidarabu na antu bobaria counselors maybe kwa family ra what about tukuira antu bezirete mwiri jwao nontu okay otrima ke family kwe bata accept mtoro na kwite until
bamona
tukuira bakejera mwiri jo betito muthika kana baki muthika iro wona antu bakona yani reality na ndi abahi mama mtu ne atio na ameenda na story yake ni hivyo so hiyo siku mimi ya kukujia mwili mnafanya nini na tapo wandu maybe the family
So re family ereta mwiri itukipa intouchable.
Okay.
Nukuona? Kwe family na ana ba young, kwe akuru be affected. Nande ibeja, kwe bo beja uthithia viewing. And during that viewing process, ibage ina healing. Duru kuona na inya counseling. Baba ona bagete kienyewe, mtu wetu na thithiti netere. Nande inya ntukwe mathiko, anakuwa psychologically yani kiongo ikiomwira he is gone. Nandi na kuomba kuhandle situation yore kari. So we keep in touch na ituthike nya counseling. A short counseling ntuke u tuamo counsel tuamwira kukariu nao and it's good you accept. Wacha rest in peace.
Kiri tuana de nini yo handling yetu ana no na kinya process yitherwa iri mwana yantu nene.
For tuana ya bit tofauti no tutiomba compare mwana na mtu munene. So ikiongo kwira tuina grief specialized counselor urio kuomba kuhandle kithiri mwana akahando mwana kithiri mtu munene na kuomba kuhandle. So we do that hapo Cool Breeze na tuka make sure huyo mtu at least ako in good condition. Despite the loss na kuomba ukava ku move on. Na inya after burial kuboba keep in touch for counseling, how to handle things, how to handle grief after he's gone.
That's good. So what's your last advice maybe kire customers then na kire antu generally na tuende meatu customer anyway ni siku tu haijafika lakini sisi wote ni customers. So na taomba kudro kia advice antu kokoni mantu yagi kuna ndino ntu antu baba ingi baraba kirete windo mo boni takangi kuimagine hiyo siku itafika no rakine ore nginde tia ya moyo kawe yakinya
isa
meye kinya temenya hiyo siku stajua but for now naomba mwingi isifike. So anteba ukana kire antu bonde ni general ombo band baisata.
Okay, ndomba kugatiri gikuye gintu kiapena naturally. Tutiomba menya ntuko kana either. So it's something natural. The best thing we can do is to live our life ogwirwe ukariangai juu siku ikifika tutiomba udhiria anything. So live your life, penda Mungu. Maisha iendelee.
Wow. Thank you. Do you shake hands like kwa watu? Ukipatana no, do you shake hands?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Thank you so much Fii. Naibuaga sana nontu kwa kuita. Leo I guess tumelani mambo mingi na kinya uni ndio mbona ingutikina ndio urankara huo ndiremo kubuthike mimi nitawatembelea
pole
na nitawatembelea nizunguke kidogo nijione. Sawa. Thank you so much. Batuta kuisha the best na Murungu ndio kwa karinji wewe wako wete nontu si rahisi kuona mwana mwari by the way na mtu very young aina that courage na Murungu aendelee kudharima burune nontu endo babe tu by the way how do you say about them nontu ukaona kuna mtu rira pasi watu ma kwa family nyamba tena shughuli na even if they are doing it because they are supposed to do it lakini si ati kuibyo ba ukia muno about mtu nontu bari wa mtu etere we menya kwa family sida sina mantu za maingi kile antu yantu abana wo kiandila antu yantu ya ba ko pay the last respect kutuka bagwita boega na injira yeshima ugomba kwithiro kiberate
kwa some scenarios whether inya family ingi don't care bareta nyangu chena roko kiratu kina roko ikithiri but tutantu pena humanity itoithegenya cleaning wa muklinire nyangu wewe wa ngura kiratu and kithira itoithegenya shaving by the way kithira imwari tu agaka gel aka representable na nditugeragia kuthithia mwiri jojo kare something presentable despite the situation nonto table on the benambecha by the chiagura suit yenjeru you just make sure he or she is clean na nakariboega
Okay, thank you so much Fii. Mwanthani tunambere kukua inya weu na gutumenyerera antu betu bwega nontu hata kama wameenda they are still our people. Thank you so much.
Asante.
Haya, ibwega sana mutegeri wa Meru TV na nkatho semwanya no tubokuthirwa mwana baturikana mubango tijungi mubango ni njorua cietu na tukwerwa ari ntokari na mugeni tofauti kabisa ndene studio cietu ukuigwa fei ngugira rita na ndenda withirwa kilani kiri mantu jori ukimenya utingugie mtu no utingugie utumba kuruta kira kina maana ni withirwa wina courage usi accept na wone ingwe oterengi by the way nontu kuringana na rafi yari antuko na arua ingute kinyani kugia courage fulani ndira no gwa hoya ugwe lakini kugia courage fulani na ingute kinyani keria kuthiria courage na kwa hivyo wero kibara bena notion kwamba kuruta ngui mochari ngui ite ngugi kana antu betharo bakirite muno ugutibirwo fei no mona mzima mwari murembo kabisa na no kuona ngugi raita na I'm very proud of it na kiukyo kenguire kinyankuru kina so I thank God for her na ibwega sana no tubonguire bakuita na mbere kuthe bakirite. Thank you so much mwathani tena mbere kuthe Amerika na kimitandao katwata Meru TV Kenya utera Facebook na kinya utera YouTube Meru TV Digital na nda comment kana kuthirokeria gakinyo opinion yoku namba ni 0748 918 901 tugagotigana kwenda mwathani kama kawaida tutarakora mbita Jerry Wacheupe.